can be seen from the current state of Indonesia, which is being hit by the COVID-19 outbreak. This currently has an impact on various aspects, for example on plantation. Even though the COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact on Indonesia, the performance of the agriculture and plantation sector is quite positive. This can be seen from the ongoing export process of several commodities in Indonesia. The data from the Ministry of Trade, we can see that Indonesia not only exports crude oil and palm kernel oil in the world market, but Indonesia is also able to export palm oil sticks to other countries. And then from the expenditure side, the existence of COVID-19 minimized the cost of training and official travel. And the next negative impact in several areas, for example in acacia plantation, which are also far from settlements. The visible impact is in the weekend. However, the employees are not allowed to go home, causing the village, which is dominated by the employees, derelicts so desert. And furthermore, in Labuhan Batu Selatan district, the position of the village is very much felt by the COVID-19 outbreak. One of them is in a plantation company, namely the Herfinta factory. The impact that can be felt is on holidays or on red dates, because every month the employees should be given a sick day holidays to return to the village. But at this time, it is not allowed to return to the village, because when the current pandemic is feared to bring the virus into the village. If Herfinta plantation companies allowed to return to their hometowns, this impact is already felt by the presence of the COVID-19 virus. And it is also worse on holidays and on red dates and during 8th day. Muslims are not allowed to go home to meet their families in the village. So many employees members resign from the company.